Hey loves, welcome back to Harmony and Hips. I'm so happy to be back with you for a new video. For this video, we are going to be doing a review slash talk through of the new Colourpop No Filter Foundation. I'm sure I'm late to the party, but oh well, I haven't bought makeup in a while, and so I wanted to try this out. I need a new foundation, so they're pretty affordable. They are $12 each for 0.85 ounces, so you can't really beat that. In this video, you will see my thoughts. You will get a full live demo of the foundation, the concealer, and the setting powder. Let's go ahead and roll into the makeup tutorial. So you're gonna have to forgive me. I'm not really good. I'm still trying to get good at doing review videos for makeup. It can get a little lengthy talking and getting sidebar and everything. So today we are going to be trying the new Colourpop No Filter Foundation. I did purchase 2 foundations. I purchased 3 of their no filter concealers, and I also purchased their no filter setting powder in the color Banana. They did come out with translucent and a deep setting powder, but I just wanted to try the banana powder out. And I will say that the only reason why I don't like purchasing foundation online is because if you're new and you don't know your undertone, or you don't typically use makeup a lot, you're not going to really know what foundation and what shade to get and what color and all that other stuff. You don't really understand the whole factors in shading yourself. So Colourpop did provide a guide based off of other foundations and colors from other brands, so you can choose the closest one to you. But I didn't go off of that. I just went off of, I'm normally neutral, but right now I am a little red or a little warm, just because I'm out in the sun 24/7 during the weekend and stuff. So I purchased 175 and I purchased Deep Dark 190, and so I'm just gonna swatch these on my chest. I already know 190 is gonna be like the closest thing to my shade right now, because I am a little dark. 175 is more my winter shade, and I'll probably end up, if I can send this back, I probably will. So let's just go ahead and swatch this on the chest just to see which one is close. This is 175. I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger here, and then we're gonna swatch it. Maybe I need a little bit. Ooh, that's a lot. So this is 175. Let me pull this down some. So this is 175 right now. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch 190 for you guys right now. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so now we know what foundation we want to use. I did purchase 3 of their concealers here. This is Deep Dark 52, Dark 40, and Dark 42. Dark 42 to sculpt my brows and to use it as an eyeshadow base. So let's go ahead and give it a try now. I'm going to take this concealer on a M410 brush, and we're just going to sculpt out the brow like normal. Then I'm gonna buff it out with this G34 brush by Morphe as well. So I will say I do like this concealer. It kind of reminds me of Warm Honey from the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So if you use Warm Honey as your highlight concealer, or you use it in any shape, form, or fashion in your makeup routine, I would definitely suggest getting Dark 42 as a great duplicate to Warm Honey from LA Girl Pro Concealer. Ooh, and I like how that look. It doesn't look super brightening. It just looks completely even, which is what we want. All right, now let's go ahead and get into the foundation. So taking their foundation brush, I'm gonna do a couple of pumps on my hand of 190. It's very liquidy, so probably a little bit may go a long way, but we'll see here. But yep, just taking this brush, and now we're gonna apply it. Also, I've prepped my face using the Fenty Beauty Soft Filter Primer. I love that primer. Y'all know I rave about that primer. It's the best primer on the market. So with our face already primed and prepped, let's go ahead and dig right in. This is a little orange, but this is a bit orange for me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna mix a little bit of 175 with this second pump just to see how it goes. I may have to just mix 2 colors just to save me some time, cause I'm super orange, but I'm not super. Yeah, that's super orange. And I'm gonna take my Sonia Kashuk sponge, and I'm just gonna be beating this foundation into the skin. Now it says it's no filter, but I can already tell, like, cause I'm combination oily. This looks really dewy going on. So if you don't have a problem with that, then you'll be fine. But it is a bit dewy. I probably should have mixed a little bit of that 175 initially with 190, but I'll fix it with some powder and we'll go on about our day. Okay, now I'm gonna take dark 40 again, and I'm gonna use that as my highlighting concealer underneath our eyes. So what I like to do is I like to let the concealer sit just for a little bit, so that way it can get tacky. I find that if you just let it sit for just a few seconds or for about a minute, that you can blend it in nicely into the foundation. So while we're letting this concealer sit, I'm gonna just prep my setting powder. I've seen a couple girls use this already, and they said some pretty good things about it, so I'm pretty excited. It's not like I don't already have enough setting powder sitting here on my makeup vanity. Ooh, that's pretty nice. It's pretty fine. Y'all see that? It's pretty yellow, pretty yellow. So I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge, and I'm gonna just start blending that concealer in everywhere we placed it down. I think the finish looks like it's gonna be legit. I'm trying not to look gray on y'all, but we just gonna go with it. I've just missed y'all so much. I've just been not passionate about makeup, but I wanted to come and show y'all my thoughts and opinions on this. So far, I mean, it's blending pretty good. I just don't know if I'm really feeling my foundation color, because I look really gray. I feel gray. I feel so gray. Hopefully this setting powder will help correct it. All right, and now for the setting powder. I'm gonna take a little bit on the tip of my sponge. I just tap off the excess on the sponge and I just beat that down in my face. For me, like I don't really like a bright concealer underneath my eyes and then I'm gonna put this yellow powder on top. I feel like that's how you kind of get washed out and you get that white cast. So I just usually like to use a very natural tone concealer for underneath the eyes to highlight, and then something like this yellow satin powder would be great as a like extra brightening type tip. So so far so good. I'm really liking this powder. Okay, so I'm also put this powder on my forehead because I do get oily in that area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead off camera, finish my eyes, and then I'm gonna come back with the final thoughts, okay? Okay guys, so this is gonna be the finished look here. My thoughts really on this foundation is for $12 you can't beat about 0.85 ounces, so that's almost an ounce of makeup for $12. So I really don't think you can beat the price. The packaging is very cute, very simple. The only thing I really don't like is that it didn't come with a top. I feel like this right here would be like super messy in your makeup bag, so you want to make sure that you're just constantly keeping the tip of this clean. However, personally speaking, I really don't like shopping for foundation online because you never know what color you're going to be, and especially in the summertime you get darker. So unless you're really knowledgeable about your undertone and things of that nature, you're gonna have a hard time picking out foundation. So it looks like I'll probably will have to mix 175 and 190 together just to give me some type of balance. I do like the concealers. I think it's a great dupe for the LA Girl Pro concealers, and the concealers are only $6 as well, which is awesome. But I do love the finish. I mean, I look really even, and on camera I look like, I feel like this is my color. Like I can tell kind of when I'm not in the lights here, like in my bathroom light, I kind of look a little gray right here. But overall, like I really do like this look. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it. Also subscribe to my channel so you can be up to date when I post new videos, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.